Here's something most people don't realize about the newest AI models. The one everyone's whispering about right now is called Claude Fable 5, and you can start using it today without spending a single dollar. So let's slow way down and walk through this together, even if you've never touched an AI tool in your life. First, what even is this thing? Claude Fable 5 is one of the latest models in the Claude family, built by a company called Anthropic. Think of it as a very fast, very capable writing and reasoning assistant. You type a request in plain English, and it talks back like a sharp, patient coworker. No coding required. No special hardware. Just a web browser and an internet connection. So how do you actually start? Open your browser and go to the Claude website. Make a free account with your email. That's it. You'll land in a chat box that looks a lot like texting. The free tier gives you a daily allowance of messages, which is plenty for learning the ropes. You only pay if you become a heavy user and want the higher limits, but you do not need that on day one. Now, what do you say to it? This is where beginners freeze up. They stare at the blank box like it's a final exam. Don't. Treat it like a smart friend who will never judge you. Try something small first. Ask it to explain a topic you find confusing in simple terms. Ask it to rewrite a clunky email so it sounds friendlier. Ask it to brainstorm 10 video ideas for a hobby you love. The more context you give, the better the answer comes back. Here's a simple structure that works almost every time. Tell it who you are, what you want, and what good looks like. So instead of typing, write a post, you'd say, I run a small bakery, write a short Instagram caption for a new sourdough loaf, friendly and a little playful, under 30 words. See the difference? You just turned a vague wish into a clear instruction, and the result jumps in quality. Now for the one trap that catches nearly every beginner, and I want you to remember this. Do not blindly trust everything it tells you. These models can sound completely confident while being completely wrong. People call this hallucination. It might invent a statistic, a fake quote, or a date that never happened. So when the answer involves facts, numbers, names, or anything you'd put your reputation on, verify it before you use it. Use the AI to draft and to think faster, not as your only source of truth. The folks who get burned are the ones who copy, paste, and publish without reading. What can this actually do for you? Realistically, beginners use it to save hours. Drafting emails, outlining content, cleaning up messy notes, summarizing long articles, learning new skills faster. Some freelancers report it cuts their writing time roughly in half, which means they can take on more clients in the same week. It won't hand you money, but it's a genuinely useful tool that levels the playing field, and the entry cost is zero. Start with one task this week. Just one. Pick something you do over and over, and let Fable 5 take a first pass at it. Then edit, verify, and make it yours. That's how you build real skill with this, one small win at a time. If this made AI feel a little less intimidating, do me a favor and subscribe. I break this stuff down for total beginners every single week, and I'd love to have you along for the next one.